Hello friends, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. On this video, I will tell you the basic of chemistry, that is matter. Yes friends, this is the series of basic chemistry and this is basically help for your class 9 students, okay, and also help for every competitive exam, every basic chemistry level, okay. So this is the chapter name is matter in our surrounding or completely study of matter, okay. So please look at this video carefully at the end. After that you will basic idea about matter is complete. So let's start this video. See the screen, that is matter in our surrounding, okay. So how can you define matter? So the definition of matter is the substance which has some mass and occupies some space is called matter, okay. Those substance have some mass and occupy some space, that is volume, okay. Occupy some space is called matter. So anything in our surrounding, in our environment is also a matter because these are all some mass and occupy some space. So the definition is that, okay. Because this is the definition of matter. For example of matter are sand, rock, water, paper, pen, book, etc. Everyone in your surrounding is called as matter, okay. So everything in our surrounding is made of matter. Look at this third point, everything in our surrounding made of matter. Most of things in our universe are made of matter, but look at this word most of the. In the third point we know the everything in our surrounding, but in fourth line we will tell you the most of this. That means some of the substance which not are matter. So these substances are, by the exception of matter, are light, sound, heat and smell, etc. So these are the substances which are not matter. Otherwise we can say these are the exception of in matter, okay. So we'll define some term. This is the definition term of matter, that is mass. What do you mean by mass? What is mass? Everyone every time still know that about mass, but actually what is the definition of mass? The mass is amount of material present in a substance is called its mass, that is unit is kg, gram, okay, etc. These are the unit of mass. After that, the space occupies some space is called volume. That means we also define the volume. So the volume is the space occupies substance is called its volume. So substance occupies some space is called its volume, okay. After that we'll go to the next term, that is weight. Everyone know that this is mass and weight just opposite each other, but these are nearly equal but not equal term. So the weight is the force of gravity acting on the mass of the object is called its weight. When you measure mass of the substance, that means its mass and its force of gravity acting on the object, then it is called as weight. So look at the skin, the force of gravity acting on the mass is called its weight, okay. So after that, this is the tale about matter. Please take a keen study about matter and a definition, okay. After that we move to the properties of matter, okay. That is matter made of very small particles. First property is matter made of very small particles beyond our imagination. We cannot imagine how matter is made, how particles in this place of matter. So the particles matter are very very small, okay. The second property is particles in matter have space between them. This space is called intermolecular space. Look at this point. Everyone know that in solid, liquid, gas, substance made of small small particles. In this particle, look out, this gap is present between these particles. So this gap is called intermolecular space, okay. This is the second property of matter. Then goes to third property, that is particles in matter are continuously moving. That means in every object, in a solid, in a liquid, in a gas, so these are the matter are made of small particle. These particles are continuously move one place to another, one place to another, continuously move, okay. So this is the third property. Then it goes to fourth property, that is particles in matter are attract each other. This force of attraction is called intermolecular force of attraction. That means this is the matter is made of very small particles. Look at this skin. So these particles are attracted each other by a strong force of attraction. So look at this. This is the a structure of solid. Okay. After that, the last property, that is, this intermolecular force of attraction varies from matter to matter. That means this force of attraction, some matter have strong force of attraction, that is the particles are made up very very close to each other. In some matter, particles made of some distance or some space between them. Okay. And some matter, particles made of very very large distance between them. So this intermolecular force of attraction is varies from matter to matter. Okay. So basically this is about the first part or introduction part about chemistry. Okay. Matter in our surrounding, we know that chemistry is starting from the matter. So in this video I will already tell you matter, definition of matter, some character about matter, and term related to matter, that is mass, volume and weight,